Alright, so hey guys, welcome back to my channel India Calisthenics and आज के इस वीडियो में हम बात करने वाले हैं the top 5 ways to get fit at home. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Okay, so without any further delay, like the video, share it, subscribe my channel and let's get started. Okay, so the first way to get fit at home, easy, is to use yourself. Yes, yourself, my boy, my child, or anything. Yes, your body is the most beautiful asset you can ever have, and it can move almost in every way you want, but all you need is sheer dedication and your will to make it move and to make work to move it. Alright, tired of carrying heavy loads of books on your shoulders to your schools? So, here is the second way to get you fit at home, easy using your books, your backpack. Alright, the third way to get fit at home, easy, is to use water gallons. Yes, water gallons. Everyone has them in their houses or home, etc. They come in variations like 5 liters, 10 liters, 50 liters, 20 liters, and even 25. Okay, so all you need is grab one variations of which you can easily lift them and fill them with water, carry them, and walk them like 100 meters daily. Yeah, this exercise is called farmer's walk, which develops your strength in lifting things and makes you strong. So, yeah, start moving. Alright, too lazy to go to the gym. Yeah, even to do push ups at home. Yes, okay. And you don't have a lot of space. Okay, so here is the fourth way to get fit at home. Yes, can you guess? Nah, don't guess. I will tell. So it's basically skipping. Yeah, skipping. Skipping rope is the most useful exercise and the form of cardio which a person can do literally anywhere. And you can skip even without a rope, obviously. Okay, so too lazy to skip. Yeah. So here is the fifth option for you to get fit at home. Easy is yes. Yes. It's yoga. Yes, it's yoga. You have to do yoga. Whatever, just do yoga, please. And it doesn't require a lot of space. You can do it in your bedroom, your hall, your kitchen, your bathroom. You can do it anywhere. Yes, so start doing it. Okay, so that is it for the today's video, guys or friends. Yeah. So if you like the video, share the video, subscribe to my channel, share this to your friends who wants to get fit at home. Yeah, easy. Yes. And we'll see you in the next video.